Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our profile video. Today we will know how project object to do profile view. Suppose this the light fall, some light fall in the territory of our road. So you want to project these light fall to our profile to know where this and which station and what is the elevation of these light fall. I have make from this, suppose this the cable connecting light pole, so I give name to this alignment to light pole, and then I draw a profile for the, suppose this is the cable connecting all the lights pole from light pole 1 2 3 4. So we want to know on this profile, suppose this, because it's crossing our road, so we want to know how it will be look like inside our profile. So for the points to project on the profile, I will click on the profile and I will go to project object to profile view. Then it asking for the object to select to object that will project in the profile. So this my object number 1 2 3 and 4, and then right click from here, asking for the style. You can change from here style if you want to. And elevation, what is the object elevation, it will take from their level style. You can change the level style and click OK. Now you will see this object light pole 1 with the elevation and station, it's project here in our profile. You can see it's up to here, so exactly where is the location, it's shown in the profile. The next thing, now I want to show this cable on my profile view, so I will know where this cable passing our design road. So then again I will click on my profile, I will go to add crossing to the profile view, and it asking for select object to add, so I will select this object and then right click. Now it's asking for the alignment and both the NGL and PGL. I don't need the NGL, so I will select the PGL connection road, this marker crossing style. For this I will select the standard and click OK. Elevation for the road elevation, I will select here and click OK. Now there will be again another label which is showing this station 151.75 and the source elevation is 663.631. If I check here, this station for my alignment is 150 here, this 100, so 155 almost the same, and the elevation is 663.631. So 663 point, if you can see here all the design value. The design value is 663, almost this 663. So this place is connecting. Suppose if sometime my location change, the design location change, suppose this move here, and also if it's move, you will see the objective, the label also will move with the according, and also If you move the light pole, suppose it's change here, automatically it will change with the place. It's dynamic with the per changing. If you can see here, suppose I change the alignment. If I change the alignment, you can see the label also change. If you move the uh, light pole, if you move light pole, suppose 1 minute I will move light pole. Now you can see here the light pole moving here, same like here it's moving because the elevation I did not give elevation. So like this you can project object to your profile when you are working. This is good for the existing utilities, like sometime some existing utilities passing our road, so for that it is better to know. So like this you can project object to your profile view. Thank you.